Hi there and welcome to our YouTube channel. Right now we located in Kjarnaskógur forest close to Akureyri, and our goal is to get to Hut, which is 1.5 hours away, so let's get there. And I almost forgot to introduce my partner for today, which is coming right now. And he's Gamli, and he is one of the co-founder of the project Iceland. If you haven't checked it out, then do it, please. We're happy to hear any feedback from you, what you think about the project. You can find the campsites there, the hikes, for example, today's hikes as well, and off-roads and whatever it's connected to the outdoor and adventure in Iceland. So yeah. All right. And now we're gonna go up. Pretty steep. Now we're getting slowly but surely to the first viewpoint. Pretty nice, huh? All right, we got a salmon's wall. Look at these guys. That's crazy nice. So nice to see when it's covered by fog. Actually, that is the ocean. Look at him, he's just obsessed with the snow. All right, let's go. And I did not introduce myself actually. I introduced Gamli as a co-founder. So, my name is Yuri. And I founded the website icelandcampers.com with my girlfriend, and the website is already set up, even we're still making it bigger, and now it's more about to be focused on the social medias such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So that's why, you know, we started, and I hope you're gonna like it, because we travel a lot, we hike a lot, and we would like to show you the other side of the Iceland, because there are a lot of videos about the most famous places as the Golden Circle and Ring Road, which we probably cover as well at some point, but we also know like the hidden gems such as hot springs and hikes, and that's what I think it could be valuable for the people who travel a bit like us. So yeah, hope you're gonna like it. By the way, right now, somewhere here, there is our goal. That's our hut where we're heading. So usually when we do this hike, we do it in the summer, not in the winter. I think it's my like second time here during the winter time, but it's cool as well. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. No one here. That's what we like. I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. We're getting closer and closer. So these ones are last steps to our final destination. And here we are. So on the right side, the ocean covered by fog, where we're gonna have coffee. And chill for a bit, because as I said, it's beautiful weather today, so we need to use that. We made it! We made it! Yay! And this is how it looks here. Let's see if it's open. It is open. Hop. Hoi hoi. Okay, a little fireplace here. That's amazing. I think right now is the right time to make a coffee. Talk about it all the time. But look at that. Should be enough. Here we go. All right, water is ready. I think coffee is ready. Come here, come on, come. Ja, just det. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Mission complete. We made it up here. If you like the video, we're gonna be happy for like, comment or subscribe. So yep, see you guys.